In order to open your free DBT Cloud trial account, just type on Google DBT Cloud free account and you will be redirected to this getdbt.com sign up. And here you just need to fill your email and all those details. And once you fill that and create the account, this is the interface you will be seeing first time, and it will be saying you have 13 days left in the starter trial package. And here, first thing you need to do is you need to set up a new project. Okay, this is a connection establishment between your DBT cloud and Snowflake. For that, I will create a project and I will say the project name as, let's say, DBT Snowflake demo. I will just say continue. And now I need to establish the connection. Here I will click on new connection and it will take me to the new window, and we have multiple types of connections which we can use like Snowflake, Databricks, Redshift, Synapse, Fabrics, Starburst, Teradata. We will be simply selecting the Snowflake one. I will name it as Snowflake demo, and then I need to mention my account. For that, you need to go to your Snowflake, and when you click on this view account details, you will see account identifier. Just copy this one, and once you copy this, just paste it here in your account. Okay. Next up, you need to select the database, and I had already created DBT tutorial database and DBT row schema in my Snowflake. I will just mention these details here. I will say DBT tutorial, and warehouse, I will select the default compute warehouse. Then I will click on save. You can even select the role in the optional settings, but I am not going to select anything here. Now I has created and click on the save. I will just select this Snowflake demo. I will go to my first window, and in the connection I will select this Snowflake demo, and now I need to mention the username and password. I had already mentioned my username and password, and then I need to mention the schema, and the schema which I had created is dbt underscore row. I will mention that schema here. I will say dbt underscore row. Target name is anything, and number of threads you want, let's say I want 4 threads, and I will just click on test connection. My connection between Snowflake and DBT is successfully established. Now I will just click on save, and the last part is to set up the repository. You can set up your repository using GitHub, GitLab, managed, and using Git clone. As of the moment, I will just go with managed one, but you can obviously select as per your requirement. I will just say managed one, and I will name this as Snowflake repo. Okay, and I will click on create. That's it, guys. That's it. My project is ready and I can start working on that. And there are few options I am getting on my screen. First is start developing in the studio CLI. There is a tutorial link. Fourth link is to learn about structuring the DBT project. I will go with my first option and I will wait for a second as it is opening and loading my new project. Here is my DBT studio, and here I can see my project name, and it is showing option to initialize my DBT project. Okay, I will click to initialize my DBT project and it will automatically create all the required stuff here. This is how we can establish a connection between Snowflake and DBT, and after doing that you just need to initialize the DBT and you will be able to see all the details in here, all the different folders and YAML file here. We will cover that, but as of now, this is how we can configure Snowflake connection and integrate Git with DBT.